I was talking to my son this weekend and about AI, and he asked ChatGPT on his phone to do something. I forget what it was.
Okay.
And it gave him the answer, and then it said at the bottom, "in my opinion," and gave him a summary. And I was like, "Wow, that's not something I've seen before." And he says, "Oh, yes, I've instructed it to do this." And I said, "What?" And he said, "Yeah, you go to settings, personalization. You can do this on the web or on your phone in the ChatGPT app. So you go to settings, personalization, customize ChatGPT. And in that customization setting, you can tell it all kinds of things. So you go to settings, personalization, and you go to customize, custom instructions.
Okay.
And the instructions that he gave I think were, it asks, what traits should ChatGPT have? Oh. And he said, respond with a precise, concise, and accurate tone. Focus on delivering clear and direct answers. This will all be pasted in the show notes, by the way.
Thank goodness.
Clear and direct answers while avoiding unnecessary elaboration or repetition. Use structured formats such as bullet points, numbered lists, or short paragraphs where appropriate. Prioritize clarity and relevance, ensuring responses stay on topic and align with the query's intent. Tailor the explanation to be universally understandable, avoiding excessive jargon unless explicitly requested. And then, be opinionated and prepared to support your opinions. Always state and make clear what statements are opinion and not objective fact.
Oh, that's cool.
I know.
Yeah, I want that. I want that.
It's there.
Really good.
It's in the show notes. You're good to go. Yep.
Yeah.
Yep.
I'm definitely doing that. That's great.